Back another video, back another vlog, back in the trap again. Hey man, we back in the day. We at Fun Park. If we go ahead and bowl a little bit. You know, got my girl, got my brother, got your shit. You know, let me show y'all the truck real quick. Oh, y'all didn't see this. They coming. I don't know what they talking about there. Y'all finna walk in here. Y'all ready? I ain't record. I'm walking down now. So y'all ain't been to Fun Park with it, you know, for outside vlog.
Oh snap!
I literally said that.
Oh my god!
Yeah, they out here fixing it right now. I don't know what they doing to it. Right? I ain't deep in here, man. Put the camera up. Put the camera up. See deep in here, y'all. We gonna get back when we get our skates, our shoes and stuff. We back. Right now we just waiting to start bowling. We got 10 minutes wait. We just chilling. Yeah, I'm gonna let you talk to them. Yeah, you over there.
Oh, hi, you guys. Oh, y'all, I'm the sister. Set, S-E-T-T-E.
You got a YouTube?
Not yet. It's coming.
You gonna make one? What's gonna be the name?
It's called Set Diaries.
You got a YouTube? You got a YouTube?
Nah, I am simple though.
It's a lot of people in here. I don't even know if y'all can hear me.
Yeah, man, we got a lot. They don't know how to vlog like me. They don't know how to vlog like me, bro. Yeah, man, that noise when I post it, like sometimes I post like a little clip, this shit gonna get copyrighted. Sometimes I post a little clip, see if it get copyrighted. If it don't, I'll be good. Yo, so, you know what I'm talking about? Like, I'll post to my YouTube channel, then I'll delete it.
It's blurry.
Bro.
It was blurry.
It's recording.
Yeah.
All right, we back. I can't see myself. Y'all, I did my nails. Period. Y'all, this a good quality camera. Y'all, this the y'all see the vibes. You got vlogs with Rolling the Cut.
Man, the owner, the CEO.
The CEO, he had a very busy day today.
Hey.
Close road. So you know how you scream. My fault, y'all. I had to get that out for a minute. You go chasing the cut.
Can I see my face?
Yeah, they walked through there now.
Dang, why it's zoomed in?
Whoa, blur. We got 9 minutes good. Yeah, lock in. But yeah, y'all. God dang. Let me show y'all my shoes, bro. Yeah. Try these boots and all. We gonna get back. Get back when we start bowling. Right now, too loud.